I'm with Alan on the Promise Technology booth, and we're looking at the brand new Vess A8340 AI media server. So Alan, tell me what we're looking at here.
Sure. Nowadays, we know there's a common challenges coming from media creators and having the large enterprises grade storage and also running the AI enhanced tools or AI tools together. This machine has it resolved by combining everything together. And it basically acts as a bridge between GPU processing and large storages together. And this machine has a few advantages. The first one is the local AI processing and with integrated GPU. So the users don't have to consider the cloud. Maybe this cloud is a delay, or there's a recurring cost, and or set up a lot of systems together. No need, because everything will be inside. And second thing is it has the integrated storages together. So the media creators can instantly access to the hundreds of the terabyte space together. Very easy and straightforward. And also this machine has smart boost technologies. It can reduce the frame drop during the many I/O tasks. And also it can support promise rate. The beauty is the promise rate inside. And there are many RAID features like a PDM. And also it can safeguard your data, no problem. And also it can have very good maintenance. So single USB plug-in can get a log. And also it has a built-in management tool. User can manage the storages easily.
Cool. Yeah. So I can see we're looking at Premiere Pro on the screen here. What demonstration are you showing?
Oh, I'm showing here is like this machine is not just a regular machine. It can do AI enhanced applications such as the Adobe Premiere Pro, and also you can do the AI search, enhanced AI search here. You can search the video, audio, and it can also do many AI enhanced things, not just like a regular computer, not like that. Right. Yeah, so that's the perfect solutions. And also we have the NVMe inside. NVMe can also provide a good performance. One single NVMe can generate roughly 6,000 megabytes per second for the performance.
Wow.
So it's all in one.
And you say this is brand new here at NAB?
Yeah.
And so is it shipping now, or is it available now?
Basically, the user this one will be available in second quarter.
Okay.
And if the user is interested, he can find the information from Promise website or directly contact with our authorized distributor or resellers.
So head over to promise.com.
Yes.
Alan, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.